Hey guys, get ready to see the coolest gadgets from all over the web. Your mind will be blown when you see those smart cubes and that fidget controller. There's also something for gamers and travelers on the list, and you might be interested in all sorts of blades and tricks. Almost forgotten, you can shoot all that without hands. All the links to the products are given in the description below. Let's go. When charging several devices, you deal with different sockets. But what if there aren't enough of them? And all those wires. The Sleek Socket is a gadget that hides ugly, unsafe, and bulky plugs and cords via a unique ultra-thin design that's about the thickness of a pencil on top of an outlet. It's up to 90% thinner than traditional plugs. You won't need a single tool to install it, which is a big advantage. Just plug the socket over a standard-sized duplex outlet cover and attach it to the top like an ordinary plug. That's it. An adhesive cord management kit is included in the package. It'll neatly and firmly secure the cord to the wall. Now you can move your furniture flush against the wall. There's no better way to enhance home decor. Don't wait until you come across a real Star Wars droid. Just build your own one. This DIY kit allows you to assemble a realistic model of R2-D2 that's just as smart, but you have to train him first. The drone is provided with a special mobile app, so it's the easiest way to learn coding while having lots of fun at the same time. There's a lot of stunning features to discover, like self-navigation and force drive. You can control the drone either manually or using your smartphone or tablet as well. On top of that, you'll definitely enjoy customizing your drone by adding various elements. Now you have a smart and faithful companion. Guys at MIT are already living in the next century. Here's one of their latest inventions: modular robots that can act completely on their own. They perform several actions like climbing on each other, rolling over, and jumping. The cubes are smart enough either to form groups or follow a light source. It's hard to believe, but something similar is already available to us average consumers. Here, the cubes are divided into 3 groups: sense, think, and act. Each block has its own function, like a temperature sensor, speaker, or flashlight. You're free to invent dozens of different combinations by simply snapping the blocks together. The included Bluetooth attachment allows you to control the robots remotely via a mobile app. Even NASA engineers have their own cubes to play with. These robots, however, are larger and will probably make it to space in the nearest future. Maybe we'll be using them on Mars. We hit the retro with a slight touch of the latest technologies. This keyboard is the best desktop companion for writers, designers, and anyone who wants to have a more satisfying typing experience. The device comes with ergonomically saddle-shaped keycaps. All the keys are arranged for comfortable operation and accuracy. The keyboard also features a stainless steel stent to secure your phone or tablet up to 9.7 inches while typing. You can pair up to 3 devices and easily switch with shortcuts. But if you want to use it with your PC, there's a wired version for that. Dynamic backlit keys offer 5 brightness levels, 7 light effects, and 4 dynamic speeds. You can turn it off, of course. Built-in 2000 mAh battery is enough for 50 hours on a single charge. And those handle and scroll. This cooling fan will save your smartphone from constant overheating when playing your favorite games. It simply attaches to the back of your phone, keeping it comfortable to hold. The adjustable clip makes this cooler suitable for virtually any phone size. It delivers an impressive speed, so the temperature starts dropping in a matter of seconds. But the fan still manages to stay almost completely silent. As for the looks, the cooler boasts 12 multicolor RGB lights like full-size gaming accessories. There's also a special app that allows you to check the temperature, adjust the wind speed, and even set lighting effects. This thing charges directly through the integrated USB-C port. Guess it's really all you need. Your music is the best buddy for all your outdoor activities. And now it's ready to travel with you wherever you go. Looking like a piece of military equipment, this is actually a powerful Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth 5.0 to be precise. It's extremely tough, featuring a full metal zinc alloy body. It's also safely protected from water, so even the heaviest rain can't stop you. The speaker's palm-sized and weighs less than 5 ounces, which makes carrying absolutely effortless. Yet it delivers clean, rich sound with 5 watts output, 6 hours of playtime on one charge. Not bad for something this small. On top of that, this thing also has an integrated flashlight with 3 different modes. This is the type of gadget you can rely on. The best part about the Assassin's Creed games is the unique stealth weapon. What about trying it out in real life? Here's a great replica of that very hidden blade that you can actually wear and use. Well, this one's plastic, but to tell the truth, we're not real assassins anyway. The spring-loaded mechanism works so fast you can pull the blade out in no time. If this looks like a toy to you, there's another model that you might take seriously. No more games. The blade's real here. It's 8 inches long and it's made of stainless steel. You better be careful with this thing. The faux leather gauntlet is decorated with a beautiful woven pattern. This blade is so authentic, even a real assassin would hardly notice any difference. Speaking of great portable knives, here's another one worth your attention. It isn't a game item or something, but it looks pretty cool and vibrant. Darth Vader fans will appreciate the black option. The blade is small, yet sharp enough for most basic tasks. It's also durable and rust-resistant. This foldable knife is perfect for easy carrying either in your pocket or on a keyring. It only takes a single touch to unfold your weapon when needed. Wearable tech has been around for quite a long time, but this thing is quite different from all that we've seen. It's a wearable camera. It attaches to a special accessory that kind of bends around your head. You can adjust the size and the shooting angle. From now on, feel free to do anything with both hands and stream on YouTube at the same time. And all that in 4K resolution. Wow! The integrated stabilizer makes sure your footage is smooth, and the smart autofocus follows the object at virtually any distance accurately. It takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge the cam, which gives you almost 3 hours of recording time. The package includes everything you could possibly need, from the head accessory and wristband to the remote control and even a 64GB micro SD card. And there's a free mobile app to pair the cam with your smartphone. Now, this is a fidget controller, the first of its kind. It's not just a toy as you might think, but a multifunctional gadget. Each side of this cube is actually full of great features. On one side there's a joystick, and on the other side a mouse with a trackball. Combined with the integrated laser pointer, this makes an awesome kit for your presentations. You're free to use the controller with any Windows or Mac computer as well as your TV by simply pairing them via Bluetooth. It's perfect for regular media controls and more specific tasks like watching VR content. In addition, this thing has a micro SD card slot so you can store files in it. Plenty of stuff in a little cube. Now, it's cool if you're shooting on land, but what about capturing the seabed? This dome accessory was designed for that. It's compatible with all smartphones under 6.5 inches as well as action cameras. Even third-party lenses and filters can fit into this thing. You're free to get up to 16 feet underwater, but the dome can also perfectly float on the surface. Handles on the sides make it comfortable to hold both in portrait and landscape modes. iPhone users should also check out this waterproof case that can get up to 32 feet deep. It keeps the touchscreen fully accessible so you can use all your favorite photo apps. But for the most amazing shots, you'll also need this proprietary dome. Changing the lens won't take you more than a minute. The dome's 6-inch size is perfect for shooting a wider range and split shots, half below the surface and half above.